So for the classification of matter worksheet, the first thing you're going to do is count how many different types of particles there are. So for our first example here, we're going to count each one of these as a particle type. This one has 2 small black atoms, 1 large white atom. This is 1 particle. All the other particles in the box are exactly the same. That's why we consider this as 1 type of particle. So step 2 says write the number in the small box. So we wrote number 1 type of particle. Then we write the classification on the line. Is it an element, a compound, a mixture of elements, a mixture of compounds, or a mixture of elements and compounds? For this type of particle is a compound. It has 3 atoms that are bonded together, and the atoms are different, so that makes it a compound. The last step, if the picture shows a pure substance, you're going to place a star next to it. From our notes, we know that a compound is a pure substance. If you're unsure, you want to look at how many types of particles there are. Pure substances only have 1 type of particle. So for our first one particle type, it's a compound, and the star means it's a pure substance. You're going to continue with the rest of the examples on the worksheet, and when you're done, you're going to flip over to the next page. The next page says for each diagram, you're going to color the atoms to match the descriptions. So the blue atoms, sorry about that, the O's are going to be blue. So O's are oxygen, they're going to be blue. The C's are carbon, they're going to be yellow. The HE's, helium, they're going to be orange. The H's, hydrogens, will be green. And the N's, which are nitrogen, will be red. The first one asks you to color the atoms to match their descriptions, and then choose the classification description that best fits the example and diagram. So here we have oxygen, which is O2, and our diagram is showing O2, 2 O's bonded together. We go up to our key, O's are blue, which means we're going to color in each of these blue. Our choices are pure element, pure compound, or mixture of elements. This is a pure element. There's nothing else there, which is why we circled pure element. We're going to do the same thing for each of the following examples. So here where it says carbon dioxide, CO2, figure out what color C is, what color O is. You'll notice the O has a 2, so you're going to color 2 O's and 1 C in each of the particles. Keep repeating throughout the whole entire worksheet, making sure you're circling which description matches the pictures. If you have any questions, please come see me.